to the final episode in our series on moving to Spain as a couple, a heartfelt journey through what it means to start over together in one of the most beautiful, romantic countries in the world. Every great adventure begins with a simple but powerful moment of decision, the one where you both look at each other and say, "Let's do this." For some couples, that moment comes after years of dreaming. For others, it arrives suddenly, sparked by a trip to Spain that felt like coming home. But no matter how it begins, choosing to move abroad together is one of the most transformative decisions you can make. It's a declaration that you're ready for more balance, more presence, more time to truly live and love. Moving to Spain isn't just about the practical side, packing boxes, signing paperwork, or even learning a new language. It's about stepping into a life that feels meaningful. It's mornings filled with light streaming through balcony windows, afternoon walks through winding cobblestone streets, dinners that stretch into laughter under the stars. It's rediscovering who you are as individuals and as a team. Spain has this rhythm that invites you to slow down and reconnect, not just with the world around you, but with each other. Of course, behind every beautiful beginning is the groundwork that makes it possible. And that is where SDC International Shipping comes in. For years, SDC has helped American couples turn the dream of living in Spain into a smooth, stress-free reality. From your very first consultation, our relocation specialist will listen carefully to your goals, lifestyles, and timeline, and then create a customized plan that fits your move perfectly. So whether you're shipping a few precious belongings or an entire household, SDC handles everything. Professional packing, secure sea or air freight, customs clearance, and safe final delivery to your new home in Spain. What truly sets SDC apart is their understanding of what this move represents. It's not just a change of address, it's a new chapter of life. Our team knows that you're not just shipping furniture, you're shipping the pieces of your story, the photos, the keepsakes, the comforts that make your new place feel like home. With our expertise and personalized care, you can step off the plane in Spain knowing every detail has been handled with precision, professionalism, and heart. So as this series comes to a close, remember that your journey is just beginning. Spain is waiting for you with its sunlight, its laughter, its slower pace, and its promise of renewal. You've done the dreaming. Now it's time to take that step. Your story will start here with trust, teamwork, and the right moving partner. Give us a call, 844-651-7050, or visit our website today.